I have never made an unboxing video in my channel before, so today I have thought to make one, and for this I am going to unbox my first the Big Book box or the TBB box. Plus recently I have reached the 1k subscriber milestone, for which I am extremely happy, and I am really grateful and thankful to each of you guys who have helped me to reach this. Regarding this, I will get a little bit of chatty towards the end, so please stay tuned and please watch the full video. If you are into Indian book related Instagram community, then you might know about the Big Book box or the TBB box, which is a monthly book subscription company where you can get some books along with some stationeries. The books are mostly imported and new releases, and they have subscriptions like on a monthly basis, or they have something extra during some occasions and some festive times. They have different boxes from different price range. So what I have got is the historical fiction box from the month of October. I have actually ordered in the month of October and I have received it a few days ago in April, of course. So it has taken this much time to get delivered because of the recent pandemic situation. Otherwise it takes a little longer time than usual website from where you shop for books. This is because these books are, as I have told, imported, and so it takes time to get the books into their hand, and afterwards it would get delivered to your place. So the whole process takes a little bit of time, but as they always says, it's worth wait. Anyway, so the box I have ordered is somewhere in the medium price range, and this is a historical fiction box, as I have told. So as you can see, the box is itself very pretty. It shows the Big Book box on it, and as you can see, here is written the historical fiction box. I hope it's visible on camera, and here it's written that worth the wait. Anyway, so without doing or talking much, let me show you guys what's inside. So it's a little bit of difficult for me because I don't have a separate camera so that I can switch between angles. Anyway, I am showing you. So this is how it looks when you open the box. I think it's pretty visible. So first, where you can see is a poster kind of thing, which has a floral print on it. There is two sections. In these sections I have got all the books, and in these sections I have got all the stationeries. So I am showing the stationeries first, then I will switch into the books. Okay, so what I have first got is a little card. As you can see, it's written here is Sherlock Study. Okay, then what I have received is, as you can see, it's a Sherlock Holmes themed book end. You can put your books, you can put two books here, one in front of it and one behind. You can put it on the corner of your shelf, or you can just put it like this. So it's Sherlock Holmes themed book end, this says. Then what I have got is a mask, which is very useful thing these days. I am showing you this. This is a pretty standard size mask, and as you can see, what is written here is Bookaholic, and there is a dictionary explanation of the word. So yeah, this is how it looks. Afterwards, what is inside is two bookmarks. This is how it looks. Okay, I think it's visible. This is how it looks. So this is called the Lovers, and this is the Rebel Spy themed, and this is the Mountains Sing theme. These books I have got inside, so I am showing you all. Here is a card. As you can see, where it's written that the theme for your box is best kept secrets. I hope you can see. And on the other side is a list of what goodies are inside the box. It actually includes the goodies which are contains in all the boxes, all other boxes as well. So yes, I am not going into details with this. Then this is what I think you can see, the Guernsey Literary and the Potato Peel Pie Society. If you know, this is a book, it's an epistolary novel, so which means that there are the characters in these books exchange letters among themselves. So this is what they called a pen pal kit. It's not opened yet, so let me open it for you guys. Well, I have my scissors here. This is how it looks when I remove the cover. If you open it, you can see a lot of postcards. Oh yes, it's not postcard guys, it's envelopes. Please deliver this letter to. This is what it is written on it. You can put the address of the receiver, and then okay, it's like a lot of it has some beautiful things like this, some white papers where you can write things, and it has some stamps in it as well. As you can see, it's like vintage themed stamps. I hope it's visible on camera. And I have got some more of the stamps. This. So this is all about the pen pal kit. This is how it looks. I am now putting it aside. And then what I have got is this. So you think it's a book? No, it's not. It's let me show you what's this. As you can see, it's a library kit. Here is the rubber stamp. I hope you can see. I'm not sure. This is the date. This is the date things which you have to put into the ink, then you can stamp it. If you have a personal library, then it will be very handy and very useful thing to you. Then what I have got is some pouches. If you have ever subscribed into a library, then you might know these things. They actually put it inside the book, and this pouch contains some cards. There is also some cards here, which is a reading tracker. As you can see, this is where you can put the dates and the pages and the books you have read. So this is all about this library kit. And as you can see, it's War and Peace themed. You guys might know that War and Peace is a novel written by Leo Tolstoy. It's a classic novel. So yes, this is how it looks. It's very pretty actually, and this is actually a box. I don't know where I have put. This place is so full. Then comes the books. So firstly, what is inside this box is this book. It's actually a box, and what you get inside is this book. This is The Betrayals by Bridget Collins. This of course is a historical fiction, but I am not much sure about the content of this book, because when I have ordered, I have checked all the reviews and all, but guys, now I vaguely remember all those things. So it is like kind of an institute which is tucked in a mountain, and there is so much of truthfulness and falsehood and betrayals and those kind of things, I guess. I am not sure about it. It has sprayed edges. It's a beautiful cover, and the box is beautiful too, though I don't fancy a pretty book cover or the sprayed edges kind of thing. I am not a hoarder actually, but still, if you receive a pretty thing, you have to acknowledge it and you have to appreciate it, right? So yeah, this is the first book. The second book is The Rebel Spy by Veronica Rossi. This book is based on American war, and there is a spy, of course. Actually, this cover is very pretty. The pink looks very pretty, right? So I still don't have much idea about this book. Let me read first, then I will share with you guys about this content. Then the final book I have received is The Mountain Sing by Nguyen Phan Cue Mai. I am pretty sure I am pronouncing it wrong, but I have no idea. So this book is based on the Vietnam War and the Indochina War and all those things. What I have read about this book is it's a very pretty and intense novel. So let's see how the reading experience goes. This is a big hardcover. So yes, with this, these are the 3 books. With this, the unboxing ends, and finally you have got this kind of posters, which is like this. I don't know how to use it, but it's kind of a cover, and I'm not sure about its usage. So let's put it like this here. So this is all about my first, the big book box. It is the cappuccino box, and it costs around rupees 2399, but at the time I have ordered it, there was some discount going on, and I have spent like a little more than 1900 rupees. So what I have got at this price is pretty much okay, but I think it's a little bit on the pricier side, though I am not much aware of the price of the stationeries because I don't collect stationeries that much, so I can't comment on the price of them. But the whole unboxing thing is a fun, the box is a fun, and I am thankful to TBB box, of course. Well, I have ordered this and I have bought this, guys. Don't think that it's a sponsored kind of things. You can of course go to their website and check for further details. You can follow them on their Instagram as well. So yes, this is all about the unboxing. Now another fun part of this video is, as I have told recently, I have reached the 1K subscriber milestone. The time when I am shooting this video, the exact subscriber count of my channel is 1117. So I am really thankful to all of you guys, and I am happy that I have reached this. Though you guys always know that I am not very regular with posting my videos and all, but I will definitely appreciate and be thankful to all of you guys who have patiently waited for my videos every time and who appreciate my work each and every time I post a new video. The another amazing part is some of my subscribers have recommended me some amazing books. Of course, not every one of them I have read, but recently I have read one book called Dojoknama by Ravi Shankar Bal, which is amazing, and I have loved this book, and one of my subscribers has recommended this. I am thankful to him. A lot of you guys have recommended me books, but honestly I haven't much time to read all of them, but I am hopeful one day I will definitely read and I will post review. Plus a lot of you have suggested some contents to make video on it. Actually, let me share these things with you. It takes a significant amount of time from brainstorming the ideas, then shooting the video and executing the whole things. Plus where I live with myself, live totally alone, so it takes a lot of effort, of course, to set the camera, to set the light and everything. it's a little bit difficult to post that regularly as you expect or as I should do. Once I will be able to manage my schedule a little bit better, I will definitely come up with more videos and more contents and more book reviews and things like that. So please have patience with me and please keep supporting me as you always do, and I am hopeful that if you keep supporting me this way, soon my channel will grow even bigger and I'll be able to produce more contents like this, and so you will definitely get more book suggestions and more fun content from my channel. That's what I wanted to talk about in today's video. If you like this, then please hit the like button, and oh yes, if you are new to this channel, then hello, my name is Bornika and in this channel I talk a lot about books. If you really like my content, then please consider subscribing my channel. It will mean a lot to me. I am giving a link of my Goodreads and Instagram in the description box below, and please don't forget to share your thoughts and suggestions regarding this video or regarding any other things in the comment section down below. I'll be up with another video very soon. Till then, take care, stay happy and keep reading good books. Thank you.